We're doing a lot of pressure right now. There we go. Hello everyone and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out the iPhone tempered glass. So make sure it fits your model by checking out the listing. So let's open this up and see what they give you. They give you screen protector installation pads. They give you your camera lens. So it looks like they give you 3 camera lens tempered glass. And it looks like 3 front screen tempered glass. So because we want to test this out for you guys so you know what you're getting, installation is very simple. They have it right on the package. So we're not going to show you the installation video. We're going to test the quality of this to see if this is actually any good. But they give directions completely for installation. So what we're going to do is we're going to test out the tempered glass and see how strong it really is. Now, I use tempered glass on all of my devices because, well, let's face it, I don't know why you wouldn't. Tempered glass is the smartest option for protecting your front screen, unless you have a double-sided case like this. But we also have tempered glass and a double-sided case. So let's go ahead and see. So if it cracks right as we bend it, then it's a poor made quality. So the further we can bend it, the higher the quality of the tempered glass is going to be. So I'm going to let you know at each different stage here. All right. Right there's about normal. Now we put in a lot decent flex on it. Now it's about average. Now it's about a little above average. A little better than above average. Okay, so as you guys saw, we flex this by a lot. That means this can take a lot of force before it cracks the front screen. Now, as you saw, it broke above average, and I would say on the top quality tier list is when it broke. And that's exactly what happens. Basically, these screens are designed that if you drop your phone or blunt force, that it cracks your cover first instead of getting to your actual phone screen. As you guys saw, that was high quality. That cracked, I mean, that took a lot of pressure. In fact, that's impressive. That's probably the furthest I've ever bent one of them before it actually snapped. Now, the camera lens is probably, yeah, for the camera lens, it's an actual lens. I mean, that's a hard, I don't think you're cracking that. That's a hard lens. I mean, if you're cracking that, let's see if we can. Okay, so with a lot of force, you can crack out the tempered glass lens. But that's going to take a lot of force to do that. And if we can do this again for you guys to show you better, because we like to test this out for you guys. So we're doing a lot of pressure right now. There we go. So I would say that's a little above average as far as for protection. Overall, guys, I test it so you know the quality. Does this get a pass? It gets a Scott pass all day long. Both the camera lens and your screen lens, it gets a pass.